Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to download Minecraft for free on Android 2025. And right now I'm currently using my OS, but this process is technically the same or identically the same as Android devices or your Samsung devices. First thing you want to do right now is go to your Play Store or your App Store, and here now you can just basically type Minecraft and you're going to see this ones. However, these are going to be paid, right? There's going to be a payment for this one. Other way, you can go to Google Play, and then basically for this one, look for Minecraft. And also for this one, it has a payment. And I think this is gonna be around $2 to $5. This is just gonna be the starter pack. Now, how can we get this for free? So on Google, let me just type in Google here. Type in here Google Opinion Rewards, alright? That would be Google Opinion Rewards right there. And this is going to be an application inside your Android devices exclusively. This is not available for iOS devices. So basically, install this one, and what it does is, this is a loyalty program developed by Google. It was initially launched as a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google. The app allows users to answer surveys to earn rewards. And if you earn rewards for this one of them is going to be a free version of Minecraft. Basically, install and have your answered survey, and that's it. And that's going to be a way to get your Minecraft for free. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.